Hey everybody, welcome to Honest World.
On the board.
We about to catch these sea creatures and some
land
land animals as well.
animals the whale.
Let's get it, big dog. You ready? What we catching first?
Catching the blue whale.
The blue whale. Ooh. What's that one right there? What's that one?
A humpback whale.
Humpback whale. Okay, humpback whale. Might be the sperm whale. What's that?
It's the iguana.
The iguana. What we got?
A clam.
That's a clam. Maybe a seashell, maybe a clam. Hey, I don't know. He knows. He's the director. What's this one?
An orange fish.
Orange fish. It looks like a large goldfish.
Like a large parrotfish.
Large parrotfish. Okay. We with it. We with it. What's this one right here?
A blue shark.
Blue shark.
It's a mango shark.
A mango shark. He says a mango shark.
I mean blue shark.
A blue.
I mean shark.
A blue shark. Okay, a blue shark. What the blue shark eat?
Fishies.
Fishies? Okay. What type of fishies?
Eat parrotfish.
He eats parrotfish.
Eat tiger sharks.
He eats target sharks too? Whoa, he's a... What is this right here?
It's a big old shark. I mean,
A big old shark?
I mean, tiger shark.
Tiger shark? I think, let me see. Let Daddy see. Let Daddy see that one. I think, what y'all think? Is this a great white shark?
No, it's a bullhead shark.
That might be a great white.
What is this? A still is going clutch it.
What is that?
It's a sea turtle.
A sea turtle. How big do sea turtles get?
It's 30,000 pounds.
30,000 pounds? That's a pretty big sea turtle.
It's the pounds of compass.
It's big.
It flies like an airplane.
It flies like an airplane. It glides through the water like an airplane.
Yep. It goes like that.
We got to get some more toys so we can present them. We can drive them to you. Yep, that's a big sea turtle.
It flies around underwater. Fly!
Whoa, fly. Okay, he might have a concussion.
Crush a walrus. Like,
Walrus.
it has tusk.
You got tusk. Okay, let me see. Let Daddy see the tusk. Oh my goodness. That's like a dog walrus.
Like a dog. It's just like a dog.
No, it's not like a dog. It's like a walrus.
It's like just like a dog.
And walrus, they have tusk.
And really tusk.
Okay, what else we got in here?
God. It's a tiger shark.
Tiger shark?
It's a leopard shark.
Oh, it's a leopard shark or a tiger shark?
It's the leopard shark.
And it's a leopard shark?
Yep.
Okay, I don't know. Is it a bullhead? No, that's not a bullhead.
It's a bullhead whale.
No, not a bullhead whale. I don't know which one that is. We don't know which one that is. Come on.
Mama. Shark. Oh, a
We know it's a shark.
It's a shark.
We know it's a shark. What's the next one? What we got in there?
I got the hippo.
A hippo is with the sharks and the whales?
And his teeth.
Teeth, yeah. They got shark teeth. Beware.
It has a guy. Eat that. Shark is gonna bite that.
Niggas gonna bite that, yep. Them hippos be aggressive. Better watch out for them hippos. What we got right there? What's this? What's this?
It's a lobster.
A lobster?
It's a flat tail, like a shoots backwards.
What color is that lobster?
Pink.
Pink lobster, okay.
Yeah.
Let's save the lobster.
Yeah, little tail, big tail. Go shoots out.
Okay.
Shoot backwards, like shoot, shoot, shoot.
Oh, that's how he move, like shoot, shoot, shoot.
That.
What is this one right here?
A saw shark.
A saw shark?
Yep. Saw sharks are now fishes.
They eat fishes?
I eat fishes. So.
Okay, no, it's a saw shark, but does it eat fish?
And I eat fish?
Hmm.
No.
You better watch out, he got sharp teeth.
Oh.
Or she got sharp teeth. Save him. What is this one right here?
It's a pufferfish.
It's a pufferfish?
Squishy.
Oh, it's squishy? You squishing the pufferfish.
It go to the store.
Squishing a pufferfish? Okay, okay. And what is this one right here?
It's a baboon shark.
It's a baboon shark?
It says tail. That's a different the other one.
It's different from the other one. Yeah, it's definitely different. I think we need some water in there. I don't think the animals can swim. What is this one right here?
It's a whale shark.
And it says,
This said a whale shark.
and it says, woo.
Said, ooh. There's teeth in it? There's teeth down there?
Yeah, it's teeth in there. I don't know if they have real big teeth, but they don't eat.
If you
Eat. They don't,
plankton?
yep, they eat plankton. Yep.
Eat fishes? Eat fish?
You eat fish?
Yeah.
No, I don't eat fish. I think it just eat plankton. What is this one right here? It has a horn?
It's like a horn, like a unicorn. It's a narwhal.
It's a narwhal.
It's
Yeah.
it's a narwhal. It's just like a unicorn.
Just like a unicorn. Yeah, it is.
It's like a unicorn fish.
Like a unicorn fish or just like a unicorn horse?
A unicorn horse.
I mean, I don't know. Unicorn fish, unicorn horse. Oh, whoa. What is that? Is that an electrical eel or that's just an eel?
It's a electric eel.
It's gonna shock you. Zzz, zzz, zzz. Gotta put it down for a shock you. Zzz.
Okay. Oh.
Zzz.
Got
What else we got in there? What is this right here? What is it?
It's a starfish.
Is it a starfish or is it a sea star?
A starfish.
A starfish. Stay solid with your answer, baby.
Oh, this is like movies. It'll go faster.
It go fast because it go fast when it moves on the thing like this.
Oh, it's just like that.
Okay, so what do we have here?
It's a walrus.
Another walrus. That's the daddy walrus or the mommy walrus?
That's the different the other one. That's the different the other one right there. That's the different the other one. That's the different the other one.
Okay, we got stuff. We got more stuff in there. What is this one?
It's a shark.
I think that might be an anglerfish.
It's not an anglerfish. It's a great white shark.
That ain't no great white shark.
It's what type of shark is this?
I don't think that's a shark. I think that's like an anglerfish. Okay, put it in. What is this? We got some stuff deep down there. Ooh, it's dirty down there.
It's dirty down there.
Are you gonna get them?
Yep.
Get them. Oh, that is a big one.
A big what?
What is that?
It's a python. Pythons are big. It's a 5 feet pounds. What? It's a total school bus? Oh my god.
Oh my God.
It's a total school bus.
Put him in. He's gonna. Don't want him to constrict you. Put him in. Put him in. Put him in. Yeah. He's big as a school bus.
Yeah.
What is that? What is that? What is?
It's
Oh.
little. It's little.
Oh.
It's
Oh. He's getting away.
what is that?
Don't catch that one. Okay, catch this one.
Yes, I have it.
Octopus. It has 8 arms.
1, 2, 3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13,
No,
14,
just
15,
8.
16, 17, 18, 19, 20,
You trying to show off your counting abilities?
22,
It just has 8. 1, 2, 3, 4,
4,
5, 6, 7, and 8.
8 arms.
8 arms, 8 tentacles, I believe. What is that down there? We got some more. We got some more. We got some more. Oh, what is that one?
It's another one. Another starfish. That's the other one.
That's another one.
That's the other one.
Another starfish. Okay.
There's 8 arms in there.
Okay.
8 arms on the octopus.
We put them in there with the octopus.
I put it over there.
Alright. Well, we got some more stuff in here. It's a little marky in there. It's a little marky in there.
You go, I got it.
Whoa.
Another one. Another bamboo shark.
Another bamboo shark.
That's the different the big one. That's the different the big one.
Yeah, that was the other one, the big one, and that's the small one.
That's the small one like this.
Let's see what else we got. Let's see what else we got. Fine.
I got it.
You got it? You got it? Be careful. Oh, what is
I
that
got a leopard shark.
one? Another shark?
Another leopard shark.
A leopard shark?
It's a leopard shark.
Okay.
It's a
Now let's know if that's a leopard shark. Yeah, I don't think it's a leopard shark, but that's what he said it is.
It's tiny. It's tiny.
It's a tiny one. What else we got in here?
That's a. Oh, it's a sperm whale.
It's a sperm whale.
Look.
Oh, he bit you? Did he bite you?
I got a tail. I got a tail.
Okay.
It's a sperm whale. A larger sperm whale. What?
Oh my God.
It's a 40 feet long.
40 feet? They think they might be bigger than 40. They be very big.
What's gonna spit a hole in it?
You put them up. Let's get what else we got in here?
I got it.
You got it. Whoa.
It's another one. Another great white shark.
Another great white shark.
That's the other one.
Uh,
That's the other one.
the other one's in the bottom. They kind of smushed up in there.
You got this one. This is a baby. This one is the big one.
This one, the other one, the big one, that was the baby. Okay, what else we got? No, we got some more. Find it. Let's find them. Oh, it's murky in there.
Oh, it's a dolphin.
It's a dolphin.
I got splash.
Oh, splash. Oh, he jumped in there. Or did you throw him?
He drove up on there.
Okay, you threw him in there. That's cool.
Whoa, we got another one. Another. It's a blue shark.
Another blue shark. That's a baby blue shark. What else we got? What's else in here?
Yes.
We got more stuff in here?
Yeah, it's a
Whoa, it's another one.
another blue whale.
It's another blue whale.
It's
Ooh. Ooh. What else we got in here?
I got it. It's a penguin.
Yeah, penguin he was swimming.
He's swimming in the water.
He jumped in there.
It jumped in there.
Say happy feet.
Happy feet. Happy feet.
What is it? What is it?
It's a starfish.
It's a sawfish. We had a sawfish and we had a saw shark.
It's like a saw shark.
What else we got in there? Let's see. We got some more. All done?
Yeah.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Say subscribe,
Subscribe,
like,
like,
and share.
share.
See you later.